Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to share my next altered playing card for Deck the Year, hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Pennys Crafty Creation here on YouTube. We are on week 5 of Deck the Year. I'm impressed. I am tagging along. I'm creating. I'm having a blast. Um, so Deck the Year, you alter a playing card, um, and you post it on every Thursday for this whole year. So 52 cards. You'll alter, post, and be inspired. And a lot of the ladies participating are very inspirational, and they make me want to craft. So I watched a few people last year, and I'm like, oh, it's already, what, September or October when I started watching them, and I was like, oh, I'll just wait till the new year. So here I am, week 5, and I'm still going strong. So this is my card for this week, just in time for Valentine's Day. I think this one I gessoed and then I painted um, with some acrylic paint from my stash, pink and some red, and I do have some metallic in the background, but you can't really see it all that much because it's covered with some paper, but there's a little bit right there. I also added some glitterific glitter paint, I want to say. I love this stuff. I only have a few colors and I am hooked. I haven't used it in a while, so I'm so glad I took it out and started using it. So what I did in the background after I used the glitterific, I kind of ripped up some papers from my stash and adhered it to the background. Then I also glued this heart shape, I think it's burlap lace. Hobby Lobby used to carry this in their wedding section, and I don't know if they still do or not, but I always grabbed the pack whenever I was in there when they were on sale. So I added this bling from Dollar Tree as well. I don't think they sell these anymore, but I bought several packs of them, so I have quite a bit of them. And then these are some Dollar Tree stickers, the word stickers that they had. I think it was a couple years ago. Not sure if they had it last year, but definitely the year before that. Then I inked up the edges with some walnut stain and vintage photo. And that is my week 5's Deck the Year card. So isn't that cute? I think so. I'm going to show you another card that I altered. I went to Dollar Tree and I came across some flashcards, and I know Penny has shared on her channel some flashcards and other women as well, and I was intrigued by that. And so I was like, okay, well, if I go to Dollar Tree, I'll see if I can find a pack and I'll try it out. So with the same theme as my playing card, I kind of pulled it to the flash card, and this card is 3 inches by 5 1/4. So you got a lot of real estate here to decorate. What I did was I sanded it down and I just added paint. I didn't gesso it or anything, but I did sand it down in the front and the back. Added some paint, and I also added some of that glitterific. In the middle is a book page that I inked the edges with some vintage photo. I also added other pieces of paper to the card. I also inked the edges with the same distress inks. I added some trim from my stash. I believe this came from Michael's, you know, the pack of trims that they have there. And then I think this lace is also from that pack that I used. I added a flower button that I added some twine in the center. And then I added some felt stickers from my stash. I have quite a bit of them and I want to use them up. So I added them here. Added this iridescent bling that I believe came from Dollar Tree. I have some here, and it's really cool. I need to add them more to my projects. I had it in a container like this, and this is magnetic, so it's on my cart, and I totally forgot about it. And I came across it, and I'm like, oh, I can definitely use it. So that is my flashcard, my altered flashcard, my very first one. I really love how this turned out. I can definitely put this in a journal, or I could put this on a card, um, or a 3D project, you know, like a box or something, or you know, the uh, I could put this on so many things, and I love how it turned out. So this is week 5 of Deck the Year. Um, come back next week. I have a great idea of what I'm gonna do with another flashcard and a playing card. Um, so stay tuned. Come back. Subscribe, and I will show you what my idea is. So I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing. If you have a question, please put it down below. If you want to just say hi, you can add that. You can do that too. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.